'cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, I am going to show you how quick and easy these half wigs are. I have been rocking half wigs for months at this point, and I don't necessarily really see myself wanting to go back to like full on lace everything because I have just been spoiled by these half wigs. They are so easy, they're so convenient, so beginner friendly, so all of the above. With that being said, I got another half wig from ISEE Hair Company, and matter of fact, let me just tell you, I love this company. I love this company so much that when I went through my little time period of wanting to like dibble and dabble and sell my own stuff, I went and sourced my hair through this company and went through their vendors because I just really do love ISEE Hair Company, and I love their wigs and I love their hair. I love everything about everything that they are, you know, selling to people. So with that being said, the hair that I got in my hair right now is from ISEE Hair Company as well. You know, I just love them down bad, okay? I love them so much. So I am going to take off this wig that is from ISEE Hair Company, and I'm going to put on this wig. I'm so excited because I've seen this on my TikTok page and I love it. Like, this is a highlighted wig as well, but this one is highlighted, but it has more black, yeah, it's black hair in it, and whereas this one, it's a lot more of the brown highlights. This one not so much, and I just been waiting to get my hands on this, so I'm so excited to try this on. You guys are gonna see how easy and how quick these type of wigs are. So really quick, it has an adjustable elastic band, it has a drawstring as well, and then it has 3 combs, one on each side by the ears, and then one right here smack dab in the middle. So in the beginning of when I first started wearing these half wigs, I would have my leave out in the front and I would twist it, unravel it. It was a vibe, okay? It was still giving me all types of life, but now I can't even be bothered by that, okay? Because I went back to my middle school days where I used to twist or braid the top part of my head. So this is where we're at. I did the bare minimum, okay? I did 3 twists, and then, child, I swooped and put this into a ponytail, okay? Yeah. You will never be able to tell, okay? So I did that. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to put this one on so you guys see how easy the process is. Oh, jump scare. I cut all my hair off in the back. I cut it. It is truly short, truly gone. I wanted to start over and then instantly regretted it. Neither here or there. Let's put this wig on though. Okay, so as you can see, extremely easy, and now all I'm doing is trying to fluff this out to get it to look more fluffier and bigger and just the way that I like my wigs to look. I think I forgot to mention this is 18 inches and it is a water wave texture. It's very soft, very lightweight. I absolutely love it. I don't even feel like you have to define these curls, but it's your preference, right? So if you really truly like your wigs to be defined to the gods, I would highly suggest using Camille Rose Mousse. This stuff is so freaking good. I love this in my natural hair, and I love to put this in my wigs. This stuff is so good. So if you really want it to be defined, then you can go ahead and do that. But as you can see, I'm running my fingers through the wig, and it's still it still looks very defined to me. Also, for the edges, my girls, I need y'all to get into basking leather, okay? They do not play this edge control. Honey, I know y'all see my edges, how slick they are. They are so slick. I love this product. I love it and swear by it. But yeah, this is everything that goes into like making this style look so good. Okay, let's do a close-up so you guys can see just like truly how beautiful this hair is. Like, I'm in love. I'm telling you, I spent my own money time and time again for ISEE Hair Company. I'm telling you, I love this company. If I had to think of top 3, they are definitely in my top 3 companies, hands down. Especially for these type of companies, not talking about the companies that like are experts in raw hair. I'm talking about the companies that are, y'all know what I'm saying. Okay, they are top 3, damn near possibly 1. Okay, first place. So with that being said, that is all. Okay, it's very self-explanatory. I'm just showing y'all another beautiful wig from this company. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in my next one. Bye.
Got me paying her rent, paying for trips, diamonds on her neck, diamonds on her wrist. Here I am all alone. I'm so cold, I'm so